This is my first visit as a singer to GlórTíre anyways, and I have to say it has been an experience, you know, to see how things are done from the other side has been really, really good. Yeah, well, it's a little bit nerve-wracking, I suppose, performing for TV rather than our normal gigs at the weekend, because anything you put down here is down for good, you know, you can't make mistakes and they're not gone in a flash. But I try to treat it as a normal gig and just as if we're doing our own thing, try and ignore the camera as best we can, you know. Amanda's great, she's a fine singer, you know, and I was delighted to bring her to the competition, and so far she's doing great. Like she's a very confident singer, I have to say, and we can see it down there tonight. She did really, really well. I'm delighted. Free time is something I don't have a lot of, thank God, because if you're at this crack you don't want to have much free time. But when I do get a chance to a night off, I love to go to the cinema or go out for a pint at home and relax, you know. You don't get much chance to do that now, I have to say, but when I do, the cinema is a big pastime of mine, I have to say. Is Misha Gerry Guthrie, Feki GlórTíre TG4 Gach Céadaoin.